Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best golf clubs for high handicappers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to improve your short game, add distance to your shots, or gain more control, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Powerbilt Golf EX-550 Hybrid Iron Set. Designed with high handicappers and senior players in mind, this set features hollow body construction for maximum forgiveness and a hybrid design that transitions from a wide sole in long irons to a narrower one in short irons for precision. The graphite shafts throughout the set provide added distance and a smoother feel, making it a great option for players looking for ease of use. The build quality of the EX550 stands out with its stainless steel heads and textured rubber grips that ensure durability and a secure hold during swings. The set includes 8 clubs, ranging from a 4-iron to a sand wedge, giving players a versatile arsenal to tackle various shots on the course. While these clubs are ideal for beginners or seniors, the Senior Flex may not suit players with faster swing speeds. Performance-wise, the EX550 excels in forgiveness and consistency. The hybrid design helps reduce mishits, while the lightweight graphite shafts offer improved swing speeds. However, it falls short in terms of overall user reviews, with a 3.8-star rating, and some players felt the clubs lacked the premium feel of higher-end options. If you're looking for a budget-friendly hybrid set that prioritizes forgiveness, this is worth considering. Pros include forgiveness, lightweight design, and affordability, while cons include limited appeal for faster swingers and lower customer ratings. Coming in at number 4, we have the Mile High Life Men's Golf Putter. This putter is an excellent entry-level option for golfers who want a balance of functionality and affordability. The highlight of this putter is its premium matte black finish, which reduces glare and enhances alignment with its top lines. It also features an anti-slip rubber grip that improves comfort and shock absorption during putts. The design is simple yet effective, with a durable zinc alloy head and a 35-inch stainless steel shaft. The 3-degree loft and 72-degree lie angle make it a solid choice for straight, consistent putting. While it's marketed as a value alternative to major brand putters, its lightweight design and soft face make it forgiving, but it might not provide the same level of control as higher-end models. In terms of performance, this putter shines in its ability to help beginners and high handicappers build confidence on the green. It's easy to align and forgiving on off-center hits, making it ideal for players working on improving their short game. However, it does have some limitations, including a lack of advanced features for experienced players. With a 4.4-star rating, it's a great value for those just starting out. Pros include affordability, beginner-friendly design, and a comfortable grip, while cons include limited appeal for advanced players and a basic build. At number 3, we have the Callaway Golf Mavrik 22 Hybrid. Known for its innovative technology, this club features Callaway's flash face and jailbreak technology, which are designed to maximize ball speed and forgiveness. These technologies work together to deliver exceptional performance on long shots, making it a fantastic choice for high handicappers who struggle with consistency on the fairway. The Mavrik 22 Hybrid is built with a graphite shaft and a rubber grip, ensuring a lightweight yet sturdy design. The 23-degree loft and 5 hybrid configuration make it a versatile option for replacing difficult-to-hit long irons. The club also comes with a head cover to protect it during storage and transport. While the price point isn't available, Callaway hybrids are typically positioned in the mid to premium range, reflecting their advanced technology. Performance-wise, this hybrid is a standout. It provides high launch angles, excellent distance, and straighter ball flights. The lightweight design and forgiving face make it perfect for high handicappers looking to gain confidence in their long game. With a 4.7-star rating, the Mavrik 22 Hybrid is loved by users, though it may not suit players on a tight budget. Pros include advanced technology, excellent forgiveness, and high user ratings. while cons include a potentially high price and limited availability. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Callaway Golf Men's Strata Complete Set. This 12-piece set is designed to provide everything a high handicapper needs to hit the course with confidence. It includes a driver, 3-wood, 5 hybrid, 6 to 9 irons, PW, putter, stand bag, and 2 head covers. The lightweight 460cc driver and oversized 3-wood are particularly forgiving, helping you achieve longer, straighter shots. The build quality of the Strata set is impressive, featuring stainless steel irons and a mallet-style putter for enhanced control and precision. The included stand bag is lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to carry around the course. While the price is on the higher side, ranging from $499.69 to $969, the value you get from this all-in-one set is undeniable. Performance-wise, the Strata set is ideal for high handicappers who want a forgiving and versatile setup. The hybrid club is a great alternative to long irons, while the irons and wedges offer a balanced mix of forgiveness and control. With a 4.5-star rating and over 10,000 reviews, this set is a proven favorite among golfers. Pros include its comprehensive set, high-quality build, and exceptional forgiveness, while cons include its higher price point and potentially overwhelming number of clubs for beginners. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Intech EZ Roll Chipper. This budget-friendly pick is a game-changer for golfers looking to improve their short game. Featuring a back-weighted design and advanced alignment top lines, this chipper makes it easier to achieve precise, consistent strokes around the green. At just $35.82, it's the most affordable option on our list, making it accessible for golfers of all levels. The design of the EZ Roll Chipper is simple yet effective. It has a 35-inch steel shaft, a 35-degree loft, and a gooseneck hosel that prevents shanking. The rubber grip is comfortable and textured for a secure hold. The lightweight build ensures effortless handling, making it perfect for delicate shots near the hole. While it's not a replacement for a full set of wedges, it's an excellent specialty club for handling tricky chip shots. In terms of performance, the EZ Roll Chipper delivers remarkable consistency and control. It's especially useful for high handicappers who struggle with traditional wedges or irons near the green. With a 4.4-star rating and over 3,000 reviews, it's a highly rated tool for improving your short game. Pros include its affordability, user-friendly design, and shank-proof hosel, while cons include its limited versatility and lack of advanced features. If you're looking for a simple, effective solution for your short game, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions about these golf clubs or want to share your thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy golfing.